Okay, you guys, we're working on our solo for Christmas and You, and so this is more of our work in progress. We're really fine tuning what we were exploring last week, and we're talking about the block chords and doing a block chord technique or an arpeggiated block chord technique. So let's just review what we've come up with this week for this solo. So I'm going to show you 2, 3, 4. We're fudging a little bit at the end there. So let's just break this down. We're doing our little G form up here, and our starting note is an E. So I'm taking my baby finger and placing it down on the 7th fret, the A string. So I'm going, now I'm arpeggiating here. Block chord will look like this. Ba, ba, and then I make an E minor chord and play that B note, an A minor chord, but we're still playing the B note as the melody, so I'm just laying down the B note here on the A minor chord and then releasing it like so, and then a little D7, and again A minor, D7. Okay, the third part, which is the same as the first part. If we break this solo into 4 parts, part 1 and part 3 are pretty much identical. Now this is the ending, and we're fudging. The melody would be a little tricky, so we're fudging that, and we're just doing instead. So I'm making a G chord, 1, and then just plucking the B note in that G chord. 2, 3, 4, making a C chord and plucking, it's a C note. And then the G note again, or the G chord and the B note. Here's the ending. So let's try it. 2, 3, 4. Just an A minor there and a D7. Third part. Now we're going to end it. Okay, let's try it with our drum. 1, 2, 3, 4. And end it. Like so. Now, once you get that a little bit under your fingers, we can add extra notes that are in the chord, which is one of the reasons why I'm so high on making sure I press the chord form in chord melody. Whether I'm using it or not, I know that I'm going to have all these great harmony notes available for me. So let me show you. So we got what am I doing? I'm filling up a little bit of the space by just finger picking over the chord that I've already laid down. So let's just try that with a little bit of drum. And if you just add a little bit here and there, remember we don't want to fill up all the space because music is silence and sound, and we want to let silence ring. It's a very, very important part of music. So let's just try this. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Now a little arpeggio. Like so. And you can play it different each time, which is really, really cool. The other technique we were talking about briefly is strumming this chord melody, because almost all the notes fall on the A string. So that means all the notes that are under that pitch we can use as harmony. So it's going to look like this. And the technique I'm using is like a flicking with my right hand. Do you see that? And with my left hand, I'm doing the E note. I'm releasing my baby finger to get a D note. See that? Watch my baby finger, my left hand. And I'm flicking with my right hand, so it'll be like this. Added a little triplet there. So you notice when there's some space, some silence in the song, and I'm adding some extra strums, I'm doing them a little quieter. Let me show you. Harmony, melody. I didn't do it the same way that I did it a few seconds ago. We just change it up. You just want to stay in the pocket. So let's try this together. I'm going to do it nice and slow. By the way, I'm at 65 beats per minute. That's nice and slow. So 2, 3, 4. Well, that was a little mistake. Do it again. All right. Finger pick. Strum. Finger pick. So you see how we can mix and match. That last one was, that pass through was a hybrid between strumming that chord melody and finger picking it. So probably the variations are endless. So enjoy, have a blast working with this.